In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create flashcards in Google Slides. By the end, you'll have a clean, customizable set of study cards that you can update, share, and reuse anytime. We'll keep it simple by starting with a ready-made template so you can focus on your content instead of design. First, open your browser and head to slidescarnival.com. This site offers free professional templates that work beautifully with Google Slides. It's a great way to skip blank page stress and jump straight into building your deck. Once you're on the site, look for the search bar near the top of the page and click into it. This is where you'll tell the site what kind of template you want. Type the word flashcard and press enter. You should see a selection of designs tailored for studying and quick review. Take a moment to scan the previews. You're looking for a layout that fits how you like to learn, maybe large front and back cards, simple typography, and enough contrast so text is easy to read. When you find a design you like, open it to view the details, then click the button labeled Get Google Slides Template. This will send you over to Google Slides. You'll usually see a preview of the template first, which lets you confirm the look and the slide layouts included. Next, click Use Template. Google Slides will create an editable copy for you in your Drive. From this point on, everything is yours to change. If the template includes sample text, think of it as a guide. You can overwrite it with your own terms, definitions, questions, and answers. Now, customize it. Edit the text on the front of each card for prompts or questions, and use the back for answers or explanations. Keep your wording clear and concise so you can review quickly. Update fonts and colors to suit your style or to color code by topic. Replace any placeholder images or icons with visuals that reinforce the concept. If you need more cards, duplicate an existing slide so spacing and formatting stay consistent. For deck-wide changes like fonts or background colors, apply them consistently so your cards look unified and easy on the eyes. Aim for large, readable text and plenty of contrast between text and background. That's it. You've created a flexible flashcard set in Google Slides using a template and customized it to match your study needs. Save your deck, keep adding cards as you learn, and you'll have a powerful study tool you can access anywhere.